so beautiful. This is what we have wanted to really see. This is a small, beautiful small village called Taras, and it's very, very precious. Very, very precious. Very, very beautiful.
It's better to go with through stairs because it's a very can roam the whole day. This is Tossa del, some place in south of Spain. Never heard, no sign of Indians here. A very medieval town, a village in Spain. We are in some historic vineyard. We've just taken a detour on our way to Begur. Begur, right?
Begur.
Begur. And look at the all the butterflies, colors I have not seen. The Mediterranean Spanish beauty. Don't cut it.
No other guesses, nobody gets it. The wine is for me. It's 500 years old.
Oh,
500 is completely normal. It's not even close to being the oldest one in the valley. Just the oldest one I can show you here. They live for a long, long period of time. 800, 1000, 1500, as long as you don't bother them. They're fine on their own, they know the drill, they know how to live with the conditions. With old age comes the stopping of the production. You don't get olives anymore, which is fine, it's understandable, but this one still makes them. You can come close to it in fact, and you'll see them right here. Oh wow. Small video.
¡Vamos, Stari! Es que es genial saltar. Yo me puedo pasar todo el día haciendo esto.
It's really much easier to float.
Pero sin gafas, porque si no me muero.
I'm not doing anything except floating.
A căzut o bombă! A fost ca o bombă! Și aveam cu sine o să fiu atomic!
आप इधर आओ, आसपास ही रहना.
Dime un salto. Tata, dime un salto.
सामने 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 लड़की है.
Și lasă spectatori.
We're in this 120-year-old sailboat. They've got us to the middle of the sea. This is a sailboat. This Deepak was dived into the Mediterranean Sea.
Daniela, fii și tu! Daniela! Auzi că tu l-ai plătit bilet! Auzi că tu l-ai plătit bilet, poți să rămâi aici! Uite, plaja aproape! Opa! Bravo! Bravo!
Unde te duci?
Ce fain asta!
अभी अकेला है मैं
Ele cum e subțire!
Eu vreau să salvi! Nu! Nu la caia te uite la șo. Alina! Alina! Stau la tai.
O urcă pe scară și îl dau eu, da.
Teo, vrei și tu în apă? Teo, vrei în apă la mama? Hai, nu, da? Vrei la mama sau nu? Vrei sau nu vrei? Să mă dau din cale?
आपका कैमरा भी जबरदस्त है driving towards Zaragoza from Plaza de Aro, and Spain roads are as good as the autobahns of Germany. Fantastic roads all throughout. We are driving a Kia Karen है ना ये अपना Kia. And it's a brand new car. Gives us a very good driving experience. And the weather over here is today after intense heat for nearly about what in India could be about 45 degrees. It's a breather to have such lovely weather here now. We are driving at a speed of about 100 kilometers an hour. And it just started raining here. It's lovely, beautiful weather. That's Sonal. Chal bus. You don't mind, can I go smoke? Something, Mediterranean experience. on this beautiful 120-year-old ship. You see the Mediterranean water. There's Palomos behind. And that's the ship
Imagínate que puedes pasar
with the mast.
dentro de la roca.
And there's sonar.
Muy guapo. Ahí llegáis caminando desde Cala Castel.
This is the blue waters of the Mediterranean are just so beautiful. They're just fabulous. Very lovely. The water is very, very beautiful. It's got some turquoise color to it. And there is the open Mediterranean.
You can look this house, the white one house. This one is you know Truman Capote. You know Truman Capote is a writing man. Is in the 16, 17 times writing one book. It's a famous book. It's a old book. He come here for writing this book, this book, and in Hotel Trias. In Hotel Trias pass the holidays. All every times a year coming here for inspiration. Long time ago it's like this, and now their artists are part of the world arriving here for inspiration. Government paying for coming.
This is the house where a lot of artists, authors and all come for inspiration. Overlooking the Mediterranean, and that stimulates their creative juices. I'm sure it's so gorgeous, the location.
Wheat farm. थोड़ा क्या वो कम कर leaving Casa Marala. Now we're going towards Madrid. I watched flamenco dance today.
This is one of the most beautiful areas in Spain. We happened to come across it by chance, and it turned out to be one of the best stays we've had in our extensive travels that we've done. And this is all a wooded area, and it's a small quaint town, hardly a population of 1,000. You can see the dense wood surrounding us totally. Beautiful small houses. And this drive is just marvelous, just too beautiful. It rained a bit yesterday night, that's why the roads are a little wet, and that's Sonal enjoying tasty nuts in the morning. But it's really one of the most remarkable places we've been to in recent times. Just fabulous. Fabulous means fabulous. We got the shock of our lives because we had decided to stay in Zaragoza, but I wanted to be a little away from the city, so I booked this place by chance, and we had one of the most pleasant surprises of our lives there. Listening to my favorite song, Spirits Having Flown by Bee Gees, and they're all wineries in this area, and it's totally fabulous. Stop, stop करो. Very beautiful, na?
और कैफे है ना, रेस्टोरेंट है.
The really rural Spain, rural and all vineyards.
As we hang beneath the heavens and we hover over hell, our hearts become the instruments we learn to play so well. Well, the spirit that knows its own mind will be the hunter who slays his own kind.
There was slight Muslim touch and a Moroccan touch to the sea that you can see the citadel. यहाँ से देखिए.
Outside the boat of gravity, beyond the spectral veil, within our devil reasoning waves to no avail. For the constant in the chaos, for the fulcrum in the void, following a destiny, our steps can cover.
Balneario. ऐसा पहाड़ पे एकदम लगे घर बना है ऊपर.
Across the vein of night, there cuts a path to searing light, burning like a beacon on the edges of our sight, at the border of total darkness, and the
ये
lights
ऊपर
divine
देखिए घर है पहाड़ को लग के बना है. I don't know what it is.
on either side. Well, be the spirit that knows its own plan. Still be the hunter who slays his own kind. Blessed the traveler whose journey will make.
Sì, vodka? Vodka. So, what do you want?
We are taking a tour of Toledo. That's Sonal. And that's just this thing. It's a beautiful town. क्या हो गया? मुझे लगा लग गया. क्या है ना? ये काफी वीडियो लिए. पानी पियेंगे ना सर? Wasa aqua.
Una.
Cold one.
¿Qué decía?
Two.
Aquí conmigo, ¿sí?
हाँ ya no पानी पी लो. No, I have to put it inside. Pin. I'll do that. क्या है ना, अनबिलीवेबल है. मैं क्या फोटोग्राफ्स और वीडियो भी लिया है. चल आप अभी खड़े रहे, मैं आपको फोटो देखो पिक्चर बस. यू आर फ्रॉम
China.
Oh wow. We are neighbors. We are from India.
Okay.
Come here, sir. Thank you so much. You want me to go of yours?
No need. We can take photos for each other.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hold on. एक मेरे को उसकी फोटो.
ये देखिए.
आपको लेना है आप ले सकते हैं.
हाँ, I'll hold. Yeah.
Me voy a hacer testigo.
Smile. Yeah, good. Yeah. मस्त निकल इसने. हाँ चलेगा.
对，就是我的技巧有点有限。
想一下怎么样？主要是把我拍好看，景好不好看没有关系，是吧？
你往那边去一点呢？
这里
啊，你想那边有音响是吧？
टोपी उतारो ना.
ढेरे नहीं दिख रहे ना.
两倍焦距以后，把人放在那个等哪个位置？学了挺多课程的。是的。
Good. The picture is good.
Sí, solo que muy oscuro aquí por el sol.
So remove the hat. Remove it. बस है.
啊，你搞好头发了吗？好了。
你说是给了。 Remove your hat.
She won't understand.
बोलो. Remove. Listen.
नहीं, she doesn't want that. उसको प्रॉब्लम वो नहीं है. प्रपोज करने का.
先过来，我们等他们拍完嘛。好，大家都想在这里。Está preparando。哎，还可以耶，那个色调就是
She was so happy. कुछ प्रपोज करने का.
बैठे.
हाँ चल.
अपना कौन सा सीट था?
अपना आगे वाला था.
फर्स्ट वाले में. हाँ करेक्ट. अब I'll sit properly मतलब. I know that जिसका. एक मिनट ये सब पकड़ो ना. टू मेनी थिंग्स टू।
साइडवेज चलो।
हाँ नहीं नहीं, ये बैग पहले रखने का।
अभी भी मतलब नैरो एस्केप।
नहीं नहीं,
आपका वो उसमें वीडियोस देखो क्या है। अरे जबरदस्त। अरे आई एम मिसिंग दिस।
क्या?
Chandel HMC and DH Approved Healthcare Consultancy is hosting a Q&A session in Pune on 16 July, 2 to 4 p.m.
क्या सेशन है?
It's about looking to expand our healthcare business to UAE or one expert guidance on licensing.
Sofia, у тебя что там? Давай я сам.
Okay.
Ну то есть поеду пока. Прикольно.
У меня прям вот это место.
Да, у тебя прям это место, причем вечером.
Y el de mamá corriendo para allá. Ya me corre este.
Короче, у вас классно
Мы с мамой
получилось.
по всему городу искали 3 раз из пластика, деревянные, потому что у нас были в Сочи деревянные, они сломались.
My talk is on the 9th, na? 7th, 8th, 9th.
10th ना?
10th.
Thursday ना?
Так, уже мажешь. Видела? Ну, фотки. Ты тоже уже что-то размазал?
Okay.
Микроволновка получается.
По мне в духовке. Ага.
Cuidado que le pillo, cuidado que le pillo.
Все говорят.
उड़े खुले आसमां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे ओहो क्या पता जाएंगे कहाँ जो पर कहे ये नजर, लगता है अब है जाके हम। फिक्री जो थी पीछे रह गई, निकले उनसे आगे हम। हवा में बह रही है जिंदगी।
पहुंच गए यार, अभी 50 किलोमीटर है सिर्फ।
हमने तो इतना रेशम की डोरी, कहाँ जाऊंगी मैं, तू है चन्ना मैं चकोरी। पीपल की छैया, पीपल की छैया।
Oh, see this chapel. That's an apple tree. This is a chapel. वो चढ़ के पहाड़ से मस्त निकलेंगे फोटोज। आई होप इट्स अ क्लाइंब।
आपको चढ़ना है?
नहीं, गाड़ी चढ़ेगी ना ऊपर। लगता तो है कि गाड़ी ही चढ़ेगी ऊपर। तो यहाँ से भी अच्छा दिखेगा।
इमली के बूटे हो, इमली के बूटे, कल क्यों ना आए मैं न बोलूं जाओ छोटे। कल क्यों ना आए मैं न बोलूं जाओ छोटे।
You want to go back to see that?
No. I've already recorded it on the video.
बहुत ही सुंदर आ रहा है पर ये।
Do a video of it. It's just amazing. Wow. नहीं है पीछे अपने।
सुसीघाट करने का
टोटा झाड़ा और क्या मस्त पेड़ है ना, अनयूजुअल पेड़ है। इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ समर ट्रॉपिकल ट्रीज एंड आल्सो विंटर ट्रीज बिकॉज ऑफ द एक्सट्रीम टेम्परेचर्स आई थिंक। चालू करना रिकॉर्डिंग।
आपने किया आके एहसान, आपने किया आके एहसान।
कर रहा हूँ।
था ये वीराना अब है गुलिस्तान, पुकारे नजारे ये सारे गुलशन की गलियों से सुनिए आवाज ये आई।
See this, my God, amazing, huge mountains.
जमाने पे मौसम सुहाने पे इस दिल दीवाने पे वीरानी सी सिंचाई आप आए बाहर आई।
Wow, just see this. Abersin, Sierra de Abersin. It's a dream.
अब जाने का नाम लीजिए ना बस अब जाने
आ गया Abersin.
टूट जाएंगे जलवे ये तमाम, ये बस्ती ये हस्ती ऐसा ना
Wow.
बन जाए ये महफिल फिर तन्हाई आप आए बाहर आई। सारे जमाने पे मौसम सुहाने पे इस दिल दीवाने पे वीरानी सी सिंचाई आप आए बाहर
The tunnel. Wow, this is something, yeah.
वो मेरे दिल के चैन
हाँ, यहाँ पे राइट पे है। See, there's that fort. Amazing.
राधा धर्म गुमिलिंग जय जय, राधा धर्म गुमिलिंग जय जय, राधा धर्म। युवती मना दारुण रुचिर प्रेम।
पहला बिल्डिंग है ना, ये पेंट हुआ है वो A1 है, उसके बाजू वाला A2 है, A3, A4, A5 और A6। तो देख सकते हो A1 भी पूरा हो गया कंप्लीट। इंटर
1 किलोमीटर।
Recorded. It's so gorgeous, yeah.
आप गाड़ी चलाओ।
Wow. Sunrise in Barcelona as we go to attend the once in a lifetime opportunity of Deepak Chopra's live meditation. Something that Sonal is very keen to do. Yeah.
In 600 meters, use the left 2 lanes to take the ramp to B30, AB7.
अभी दिखेगा. It's just so beautiful in the mornings. वहाँ पे देख.
Use the left 2 lanes to take the ramp to B30, then use the left 2 lanes to take the ramp to B30.
Wow.
आप प्लीज साइनेज पे ध्यान दो.
Yeah, yeah. अभी दिखेगा मस्त. Wow. Wow. Ulta sunrise. You see the lower half of the sun. On the way to the conference venue to attend Deepak Chopra's workshop. What a sunrise, na? Beautiful. अभी दिखेगा यहाँ से. Beautiful. Wow.
क्लाउड्स है. This is Zaragoza, one of the historical town in Spain. We have driven from Barcelona today to Zaragoza. This is Basilica, which is of 1,000-year-old.
Amazing. Just amazing.
Yeah, that shape and that architecture.
Easy range, can't see even for 10 meters. आगे जैसा नहीं है. वीडियो कर रहे घाटी है.
चल
रहे मौसम ये प्यार का चल रुके ना रुके डोला बहार का
Beautiful hills. Well done, hills. Well done, hills.
मौसम ये प्यार का चल रुके ना रुके डोला बहार का
See that houses there. Wow.
प्यार में गुजार दे खिलते हैं गुल यहाँ
Beautiful. Picture postcard. Wow. कैसे पेड़ वहाँ पे पहाड़ काटा है
कह दो कि तुम हो मेरी वरना जीना नहीं मुझे है मरना कह दो कि तुम हो मेरी वरना जीना नहीं मुझे है मरना
देखो कभी ना ऐसा करना
यही अदा तो
A la izquierda, el Palacio del Duque de Almodóvar, amigo del Marqués, construido a finales del siglo XIX como residencia de
This is
verano.
Gaudi.
Es de estilo
100%.
inglés.
दरवाजा देख रहे हो यार हम पूरा चल चल के
यहाँ से देख
we are in a train
थोड़ा आया
that's Deepak
हाय
and we are roaming in Camellia that's
A la izquierda, el antiguo cementerio. Se construyó sobre una iglesia medieval. Al muro se encuentra el ángel custodio.
that's the Atlantic.
Este ángel se esculpió en 1895 para presidir el altar de la capilla Panteón, aunque finalmente acabó en el cementerio. El artista encargado de la obra fue Josep Llimona, quien sin quererlo creó todo un símbolo de la ciudad.
All seasons have started coming this summer already temperature around 60 degrees
सुनल यहाँ पे कितने पार्किंग है देख
यहीं से तो हम गए थे
हाँ यहाँ पे देखना driving along the Atlantic goes Spanish
extreme north of Spain extreme north of Spain
A la izquierda, al fondo, tienen la Universidad Pontificia. Impresionante edificio que domina todo el pueblo desde poniente. Es uno de los más representativos de la villa. Los detalles ornamentales, así como la portada de acceso al recinto, fueron obra del arquitecto Domenech.
ये देखो
Just too beautiful. Let's see the flowers.
वही देख
अभी अटलांटिक एकदम नजदीक दिखेगा. जब तक न कहे तू मैं हारा.
now the hilly part of
That is that Santander is, I told you, it is in that Bay of Biscay, which is the North Atlantic, and it's overlooking the Atlantic, and on one side are hills and one side is the ocean, so it should be really very beautiful. This reminds you a bit of this thing, na? Like when we had gone to North, Aniruddha का कौन सा है? North North Carolina. वहाँ पे भी ऐसे ही. But what dense vegetation, na? See this dense forests. Wow, see on the right side, it's so beautiful. Yeah. इसका बम हिला रहा देखो बच्चा.
El de amarillo, conmigo, os vamos a tocar.
We are in a place called Pamelos. अंदर के नाच रहा देखो.
Y vamos a tocar rock and roll a la plaza del pueblo. Tú conmigo, os vamos a tocar rock and roll a la plaza mayor. Venga, nada, espera que comience el show, el show. Nena, no vendría mal. Un poco más de rollo, nena, no vendría mal. Tu gorro me gusta, tu gorro me gusta. Si no esté colocado, no puedo tocar. Todos conmigo. Vamos a llegar por la plaza del pueblo. Tú conmigo. Vamos a tocar por la plaza mayor. Espera que comience el show.
Damn good.
Un poco más de rollo, pero no vendría mal. Un poco más de rollo, hermano.
We are in this beautiful Spanish small northern Atlantic town called Corseques, and this is Azad Parinde's first video, but you'll get to share some of the most exquisite experiences that we get if you're willing to drive on your own, travel. I parked my car over there behind, and Sonal is very keen to attend a flea market. This is a very quaint little town, very beautiful, and you can see the Atlantic from where we are staying. So Azad Parinde is all about being able to do what you want and living life on your terms, seeing the world as you want with no restrictions. This is that lovely flea market that we are visiting now. It's a lovely place, quaint little thing where you get small good things. And Sonal, that's Sonal, and that's this lovely place where the flea market. The ambience is on a Sunday, it's beautiful. People are chilling out, having their beers, and then coming and shopping some stuff. See, these are the kind of stuff that they have over here. It's so pretty, beautiful. The different artifacts and stuff which are kept over here. This is Europe, Spain, in a kind which is very unique. Very beautiful, really very beautiful. The other kind of artifacts and small decorations. And so Azad Parinde is all about not living within the constraints of traveling by only public transport, but being on your own, gathering the courage to drive in a left-hand drive on the right side of the road. But if you are driving on the right side of the road, remember you got it right. Local music is playing.
Baratos de Mauser, corriste a Tabache salvando mi vida. Lo que tú hiciste conmigo, caballo amigo, no se me olvida. Me salvar la tuya y la amargura me hace llorar. Por eso prieto hasta Bache, no he de olvidarte nunca jamás.
Yeah! Super, super, super. Meadows, and here is the Atlantic on this side. Yeah, Sonaltic. Let the car go.
वो अपने लिए रुका है. Oh, I didn't know.
It's a narrow road, no?
हाँ, it's a narrow road. We've come to a it's Atlantic Ocean. Deepak has a mad fascination about Atlantic Ocean. So we are here. That's something where you can jump if you want. Let me sit here. You can't go down, I don't think.
Have you ever seen anything so beautiful? This is Azad Parinde. This is Deepak. We have perched on a beautiful atop a green pastures. That's my car over there. And now as I pan the camera, you will get the shock of your life. That's the entire Atlantic. Green pastures. And it's something very exquisite. There are wild horses grazing over there. It's a nice place to sit over here. And these are small villages, and there's a dense greenery and meadows, and it's something just exquisite, out of this ordinary. Far away there's a village, and these pastures are just amazing. They're just too beautiful. No problem. And I've never seen anything so beautiful in my life. There you can see those horses grazing over there, and the wild horses. And just this is at the cliffs, and ahead of me is there's Sonal over there. Sonal, say hi. And I've never seen anything like this in my whole life. It's just too beautiful. There's the cliffs over here.
चलो भैया, do your ground.
and you can see those cliffs over there, and those are wild horses over there. And this is the Atlantic, and see those igneous rocks over there, and oh my god, this is something exquisite. Just unbelievable, absolutely unbelievable. You can park over here and walk around there.
We'll walk around.
It has reverse lane.
Let's see if you can go further down, because there's a road which white cars are sightseeing. Those campers have gone down now. They've come for a mass or something.
नीचे डालो.
हाँ, राइट में लो.
See those windows in their house.
खामोशी के मेले हो, इस दुनिया में कोई नहीं हो, हम दोनों ही अकेले हो. तेरे सपने देख रहा हूँ और मेरा अब क्या सागर जैसी
यहाँ पे
आँखों वाली, ये तो पता
Go and park in this park.
यहाँ पर रोड है पास.
हाँ हाँ, राइट लो.
जाओ नीचे.
जाना जाओ.
It's nice water. Cool.
It's very cool.
– 24 kilometers जाने का. Driving to Pamplona for that amazing bull festival. We are going to be in time for seeing the bullfight, matadors, and on the way there are some beautiful Spanish villages, and the weather is incredibly beautiful. The clouds coming down, and we had a fantastic stay in Comelas. In the morning we had a bath in the Atlantic Ocean.
I'm in our location. We just finished a bull run in Pompilo. Now the same bull will fight at 6:30. Any lane you go, you will see thousands of matadors.
Slight left onto Plaza del Castillo.
Yeah, sure.
crazy atmosphere here, absolutely crazy. People. ये देखिए बाजू
पीछे तो बच जाने के लिए टाइम लगता है ना। That's why it showed red.
This is almost like driving the Himalayas, यार। है ना?
We don't get to know because of toll roads, ना।
देखना चढ़ाई है ऊपर घाट जैसा ही है ये। नीचे नदी जा रही है एग्जैक्टली लाइक हिमालय। नीचे वो नदी जो दिख रही है ना अपने को,
वो नदी बहुत टाइम से चल रही है, मेरे साइड चल रही है।
कैंपस पैराडाइज हो गया। This is like better than even the Grand Canyon.